community, carry tour fan, go inland, Rocky Mountain Structure. I'll walk through inland and see things like that. This is inwood, isn't it? This is inwood? Yes. Yeah. Well, we're walking down the street to the main road. I think it's Nagle Road, and we'll walk down that and see what's going on here in Inwood. Now, this is a section that's we're at about 190th Street, or maybe a little higher, almost at the top tip of Manhattan. So Gary's Tours has had you going from Battery Park, the bottom of Manhattan, down to the top of Manhattan. Only about 10 more blocks to go and we'll be at the Harlem River and crossing over into the Bronx. Now that road down there is the main road. Actually, it's Broadway, I think. I'm not sure. We'll see. These are all farmers, I guess. Farmers for us in Manhattan. Wonder what they charge up here. I have no idea what they charge up here for farmers. You're still a subway ride away from going to Wall Street if you want to, so I expect it's fairly high. Free delivery. Via distributor. So you still post stuff. Here it is. Nagle Avenue. That's the main drive, I think. In Inwood. I might be wrong, but what do I know? And we're on Broadway. This is the same Broadway that goes all the way downtown to the bottom of Manhattan. Well, look on Nagle Road. Let's go that way. Take this. Sunny side of Nagle Road. That's the second scale before this over. How they were going out, I think. Herman's Bakery. Gonna walk down Nagle Road in Inwood. This is beautiful Inwood on a beautiful sunny day with a beautiful blue sky. Sunny. Easy water in each of the great districts. That's particularly hot. This is a beautiful day then. On the golf for a ride about 90 degrees. What do we have here? Seed areas. What's in there? So the third. It's a track. How about that? Track. Maybe for school. Maybe there's school right around here. They put out trees. They're probably working on that. Maybe they had them and didn't make it. And the building, some of the rehabilitations there are being constructed. I'm not sure what it is. Don't know what kind of flowers they're up to. Not a lot of people. Supposed to be a business district. Check. YNYWMC. For Washington Heights, I guess. A couple of things up here too. Washington Heights. Medical Center. We're up on our left. Beautiful blue sky today. Teresa Pharmacy. Hello. Hi. Oh, how you speak so? North. Fruits and vegetables, like that. Watermelons. Everybody's got an iPhone, everybody's talking on an iPhone. So we're 2 blocks away from Fort Tryon Park. The Fort Tryon Park's about 300-400 feet above. Everything's for sale. Spots, clothes, anything you want. And have restaurant. Dory Boomer. Sure. You got that. For the restaurant, the requirement there. That's there you go. Well, this is Nagle Avenue in Washington Heights or Inwood. I'm not sure which it is. On the Spear Central.
Me dicen que trae noviembre, la radio una noticia bien. Me dicen que 3 de noviembre, la radio una noticia bien. Y a ti nos gritaba la gente, el merenguero bueno se murió. Y a ti le gritaba la gente, el merenguero bueno se murió.
A little loud. A little loud. Cachet, fashion. That's the business district around here. No, the subway comes off from Washington Heights. All on the street. This is the guy's door, I think. It's a David Villa, MDTC. Champions Martial Arts. Very special. These stuff to sell. Fruit, vegetables, everything you want. More clothes. Is that good price? Too? Vacant lot. Vacant lot, Manhattan. How about that? Who'd believe? It's another stop for Citibank fight. Citibank. Take one. Washington, Citibank facility. Check it in. No parallel parkway. Get a code when you join. Remember. About $160 a year. I have to make sure it's just the right. I'm not sure. More stuff to sell up here. This is downtown. Last year the plants.
Now it's last.
That's over and walk on the other side of the street. It looks like on the shady side. It's being 10 degrees forth. An elevated subway train. When the hour. That's the noise they make. They used to have elevated subways all over New York. But most of them underground now. Let's do some this side of the street. Go knock down. Income tax. Rolls and bagels and coffee. And we go in the street where we have over here. You debit card, local charging, everything you need. Barbershop? Food delivery guy? So the meetings. You punch in your credit card, your plate number, and your credit card number, and the police combine just scan the plates. If your plate shows up on their list of people who paid, you're okay. If not, they write a ticket. good system. You don't need 6 meters anymore. You can see. There's a restaurant and auto insurance store. I still hear those drums with their loud speaker over there. See who's doing that to such business. Weird stuff. That's good. How about that? Hardware store. Delicious farming. There's another building going up. Look at that building. Either rehab or a new building. I can't be sure. If you like these walking tours, punch that little red subscribe button on the lower right-hand side of your screen. You'll be notified for about a 2-second shot every time I post a new video. We have 270 videos posted on the channels. Jerry's Tours. We'll go on this side of the street, so I'm going to stop the video there. Thank you for watching. Yeah.